Stop scrolling. I have the best investment opportunity for you. IB by Samana Developers. Prime location, amazing facilities, luxury living with easy payment plan. You can lounge by your very own private swimming pool. Catch the latest blockbusters and stars under the outdoor cinemas. And when you're in the mood to pamper yourself, we have got you covered with our exclusive spa. Oh, did I not mention about the valet service? No more wasting time looking for parking spots. But wait, it gets even better. We have plenty of options for you to choose from a cozy studio plus a private pool, 3-bedroom, spacious units, or anything in between for you to choose from. Located in Dubai Land, Ivy Garden, with prices starting from 659,000 dirham. Flexible payment plan, 0 interest, you can say deal of the century. Don't miss out to get this exclusive opportunity to own a piece of paradise in the heart of Dubai, Dubai Land. Call us now to make your bookings.